Hello dear children, a very warm welcome to the maths class. I'm sure you all are fit, fine and healthy in your homes. You all are looking after yourselves, listening your parents and taking good care of yourselves. Stay safe children, stay happy, stay fit and stay healthy, so that whenever the school reopens, we all can meet. And I'm sure you all are enjoying your online classes. You are enjoying learning from home. घर में बैठ के क्लास अटेंड करना आप सबको अच्छा लग रहा है, आप enjoy कर रहे हो. And at the same time, I do hope that you all watch the videos also, which are posted on YouTube on a daily basis. रोज रोज जो वीडियोस पोस्ट होते हैं यूट्यूब पे, आई एम श्योर आप वो वीडियोस भी देखते हो. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट द क्लास. वी हैव completed chapter number 7 children, and today we will be doing activity worksheet 8. This is our maths class, and today we will be doing activity worksheet 8. We will be discussing activity worksheet 8 today. This activity worksheet is based on chapter number 7, which we have just concluded. That is numbers up to 50. अभी हमने जो चैप्टर कंप्लीट किया नंबर्स अप टू 50, ये एक्टिविटी वर्कशीट जो है ये उस चैप्टर पे ही बेस्ड है. दैट मीन्स द एक्सरसाइजेस आर फ्रॉम दैट चैप्टर ओनली. So you will not have any problem in doing this activity worksheet. First is count and write the number and its name. The first is count and write the number and its name. मतलब जो भी इमेजेस बनी है इनको काउंट करना है, and then you have to write the number and its number name. First you have to write the number and then number name. Now let us count. This is a bunch of grape. Okay? And then two bunches and 3 single grapes. Now each bunch has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 grapes. That means this is 110. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, this is 110. ठीक है ना? 10 grapes. That means it is a bunch of 10 grapes. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? ये 110 है. This is a bunch of 10 grapes. Means this is again 110. And there are 3 grapes. That means 3 ones. 3 grapes का मतलब क्या हुआ? 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. So 110 and 110. That is 2 tens. 110 and 110. That is 2 tens. and 2 tens means 20. So 20 plus 1, 2, 3. 23. So the number is 23 and the number name is TWENTY 23. As I told you, पहले भी मैंने बताया है कि whenever we write the number name, we always start it with the capital letter because this is also our naming word. Number name भी जो है, this is our naming word. ये भी number का नाम है. We always start it with capital letter. Okay? So the number is 23 and its name is 23 in spelling. Second is B, number and number name. Number and number name. Now let us see what is the number. We can see 4 groups and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? There are 4 groups. Now let us count how many laddus are there in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 110. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is again 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is again 110. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 ones. So how many tens are there? 110, 210, 310 and 4 tens. How many tens are there? 4 tens are there. Okay? So 4 tens means 40. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 40 and 5 ones. So what is the number? 40 and 5. That is 45. The number is 45 and its name is FORTY. 40 FIVE 5. Okay? So this is the number 45 and its name is 45. Now let us see the third one. C is bunch of bananas. This bunch of bananas. How many bunches are there? In place of bananas, children, I am making oranges. Okay? Because I cannot make bananas very nicely. So bananas की जगह oranges बनाते हैं. This is the first bunch. Then there are 3 bunches now. Second bunch. Three bunches. And how many ones are there? There are 2 bananas, so I will make 2 oranges. So how many bunches are there? First bunch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 110. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is again 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then this is again 110. So how many tens are there? 110 plus 110 plus 110. That is 3 tens are there. 3 tens and 2 ones. So 3 tens and 2 ones, that is 30 plus 2. 3 tens is 30 and 2 ones is 2, which is 32. So the number is 32 and the number name is THIRTY, 32. Number is 32 and its name is 30 plus 2, 32. ठीक है? Spelling जो that is 32. Now second is write the numbers between. Second is write the numbers between. $29 and 31. So which number will come in between 29 and 31? 29 and 31 के बीच में कौन सा नंबर आएगा? 29, 30, 31. 43 and 45. So 43, 44, 45. 37 and 40. Here you have to write 2 numbers between 37 and 40. That means 37 and 40 के बीच में कौन से 2 numbers आते हैं? जैसे हम 1 number लिखते हैं, number in between, we can write 2 numbers also, isn't it? जैसे हम 2 numbers के बीच का एक single number लिखते हैं, we can write 2 numbers also. So 37, 38, 39 and 40. Similarly, 2 numbers between 21 and 24. So 21, 22, 23 and 24. Okay? We have written 2 numbers here. In the same manner, you can write 3 numbers, 4 numbers also. Between मतलब बीच का. तो जो भी 2 numbers के बीच में जो भी number आता है, वो number आपको लिखना है. Now the third is insert greater than, less than or is equal to make correct sentences. Insert greater than or less than or is equal to make correct sentences. This is the sign of greater than, this is the sign of less than, and this is the sign of is equal to. We place this sign when 2 numbers are equal. अगर 2 numbers equal होंगे, then we put is equal to. Then we put the sign of is equal to. ठीक है? Like if we all know that if the number is greater, then we put this sign. the open side is always towards the greater number and this point is always towards the smaller number. And insert का मतलब होता है बीच में डालना. Insert मतलब उस जगह पे इन साइंस को डालना. ठीक है. A 37 43 15, then E is 23 and 28, F is 31, 35. Now you have to insert either this sign of greater than or less than or is equal to. Now 37 and 43, it is very easy to make out which number is greater and which is smaller. In the counting, 37 comes before 43. Counting में 37 जो है वो 43 से पहले आता है. So that means 37 is less than 43. So we will put this sign because 37 is smaller than 43. So this point will be towards 37. 37 43 से छोटा है. तो ये जो point है वो 37 की तरफ रहेगा. And this open side will be towards greater number. Then 36 and 49. Again 36 comes before 49 in the counting. So we will put this sign of less than. हम ये वाला sign insert करेंगे. This point will be towards the smaller number. 41, 49. Sorry children, this is not 49, this is 36 and 19, 19. So 36, that means 3 tens are there and it is only 1 10 here. So that means 36 is greater. Then 41 and 49. So 41 and 49, both the numbers have 4 tens, but this number has 9 ones and this has 1 1. So that means this is smaller. 15, 15. This is 15, 15 in number and here it is 15, the number name. Here it is 15, the numeral and here it is 15, the number name. Both are equal. So we will put the sign of is equal to. Okay? We will put the sign of is equal to. Both are equal. The only difference is this is numeral and this is the number name. Then 23 and 28. 23 again is both the numbers have got 2 tens but 3 ones here and 8 ones here. 3 is smaller than 8, that is 23 is smaller than 28. So we will put the sign of less than. 31 to 35. 31 is 3 tens and 3 tens, but here it is 1 1 and here it is 5 ones. So 31 is again smaller than 35. 27 and 17. When the digits at tens place are different, फिर तो कोई doubt ही नहीं है. 2 tens and 1 10. So it is obviously greater. 27 is greater than 17. (21) and 21. Here it is 21, the number name, and here it is 21, the numeral. Both are equal, both are same. So we will put the sign of is equal to. Here it is number name 21 and here it is numeral 21. Okay. Now the next is, fourth one is Fourth is arrange in ascending order. Fourth is arrange in ascending, ascending order. Okay, the numbers are given. The numbers given are 48, 15, 27, 25 and 39. Now arranging the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order is smaller to greater. Arranging the numbers in ascending order means smaller to greater. So which is the smallest number? 48, 15, 27, 25 and 39. So obviously 15 is the smallest number. So first number would be 15. Since we have to arrange in ascending order, that means smaller to greater. So 15, because 110 is here. Now we will see the numbers with 2 tens. So 27 and 25. Both have got 2 tens. In 27, 7 ones are there. And 25, 5 ones are there. So which is smaller? 25. So next number is 25. Then next will come 27. Then 39 and 48. We are left with these two numbers. 39 has got 3 tens and 48 has got 4 tens. So next number is 39 and then last is 48. Okay? Fifth is split into tens and ones. स्प्लिट का मतलब होता है अलग अलग करना. स्प्लिट माने उसको डिवाइड करना, अलग करना. सो स्प्लिट इनटू टेंस एंड वंस. सो ए इज 35 टेंस वंस and B is 20 tens and ones. Split into tens and ones. It is same as writing any number in expanded form. Split करके लिखना मतलब जैसे हम expanded form में लिखते हैं in terms of tens and ones. It is same. Okay, split करना मतलब numbers को बांट के लिखना. So in number 35, how many tens are there? जैसे हम expanded form में लिखते हैं, जो tens place पे जो digit है, we write it below tens. And जो ones place पे digit है, that we write at ones place. So here it is 3 tens. So we write 3 here and 5 ones. So we write 5 here. In 20, 2 tens are there. So we write 2 here. And in 20, there is no one. 0 is there. So we write 0 at ones place. Okay? Split करके लिखना is exactly the same as writing the number in expanded form. Okay? Now next is add on number line. Add on sixth is add on number line. We have to show addition of 12 plus 7. Now for this, first we need to make the number line. So let me make the number line first. Always, if you have to make the number line, always show the marking on number line. Marking नहीं दिखाओगे तो आपका addition या subtraction wrong भी हो सकता है. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. ठीक है? Now 12 plus 7. So when we show addition on number line, सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? We have to add 7 and 12. 12 and 7 को add करना है हमें. So first number is 12. तो सबसे पहले हम कहाँ तक जाएंगे? We will start from 0 and go straight to 12 because first number is 12. 0 से start करके आप 12 पे जा भी सकते हो और बिना 12 पे गए भी आप 12 से आगे काउंटिंग कर सकते हो. बट वी विल फर्स्ट गो टू द नंबर 12. टू अवॉइड एनी कंफ्यूजन सबसे पहले हम नंबर 12 पे जाएंगे. वाई? बिकॉज वी हैव टू ऐड 12 एंड 7. हमें 12 में 7 ऐड करना है. 12 में अभी 7 ऐड करना है तो वी विल काउंट 7 स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है? 12 पे जाकर के हमें 12 से 7 स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड काउंटिंग करनी है. एडिशन में वी ऑलवेज काउंट फॉरवर्ड. सो 12 पे जाकर के वी विल काउंट 7 स्टेप्स फॉरवर्ड. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 12 में हमने जब 7 ऐड किया, after adding 7, where do we reach? We reach the number 19. So that means 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. Children, activity worksheet is for your revision. This is lesson पे based है. You have done the entire lesson. Then this worksheet is for your revision. Okay? Now 7th is Anita had 15 flowers. She used 12 of them for making a garland. Garland माने माला. How many flowers are left with her? Anita had 15 flowers. She used 12 of them for making a garland. How many flowers are left with her? कितने फ्लावर्स हैं अनीता के पास? उसके पास 15 फ्लावर्स हैं. उस 15 फ्लावर्स में से उसने कितने फ्लावर्स यूज किए? मेकिंग अ गार्लैंड. गार्लैंड मतलब माला. जो फूलों की माला बनाते हैं उसे गार्लैंड बोलते हैं. तो उस 15 फ्लावर्स में से उसने 12 फ्लावर्स यूज किए एक माला बनाने के लिए. अभी उसके पास कितने फ्लावर्स बचे? नाउ टेल मी व्हाट विल यू डू? ऐड करेंगे हम या सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर्स इज 15 एंड आउट ऑफ दोस 15 फ्लावर्स 12 फ्लावर्स आर यूज्ड. 12 फ्लावर्स निकाल लिए. तो जब हम टोटल में से कुछ नंबर निकाल लेते हैं दैट मीन्स वी आर टेकिंग अवे. हम टेक अवे कर रहे हैं. दैट मीन्स हम सब्ट्रैक्शन कर रहे हैं. सो हियर व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर्स इज 15. Out of 15, 12 flowers are taken away. So that means we will subtract 12 from 15. हम 12 को किस में से माइनस करेंगे? 15 में से. और यू कैन से कि हम 15 में से 12 माइनस करेंगे. 15 में से 12 फ्लावर्स उससे निकाल लिए गार्लैंड बनाने के लिए. नाउ शी इज लेफ्ट विथ 5 minus 2. 15 में से 12 माइनस करना है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. ओके. एंड 15 में से 12 फ्लावर्स निकाल लिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1, 2 and 3. Only 3 flowers are left with her. Okay? So children, we have completed this activity worksheet 8. So today I will stop here only. In my next class, we will start with new chapter, that is working with numbers till 100. We have done till number 50, addition, subtraction, on number 9, number name, everything we have done till number 50. Now we will be doing from number 51 to number 100. Okay? So thank you children.